blockchain, blockchain undermines the whole thing. If blockchain wins, then the only thing countries have are weapons. Because if you take away the peer-to-peer infrastructure of currency, it gets real weird real fast. Whoever the Illuminati are, they're not about blockchain.
Welcome to today's show. Camellia little boy Ismail here. On our first episode, we're going to be looking at a pending CME gap close could propel Bitcoin price to $8,000. Within the last hour, the Bitcoin price surged through $16,200 level to secure a new 2020 high at $16,473. The 6.62% move brings the top-ranked digital asset closer to a closing a CME gap in the $16,465 to $16,570 zone, and growing a number of analysts expect the price to break another $17,200 level if the CME gap is closed. Despite this excitement surrounding the Bitcoin surge to a new multi-year high, Cointelegraph contributor Michaël the Poppe pointed out that Bitcoin has repeatedly ascended to new highs without establishing a strong support. Many levels beneath the current price are untested on a weak time frame. A healthy way to build a new cycle is the backtesting of previous resistance level as new areas of the support. The analysts also say that the crypto fear and greed signal index has reached the extreme greed level.
Boom! Chicken out your door, I'm invaded. I'm here, dressed up, black dot better. Fresh to death, unfaded. I make sure I speak to my hater. What's up? Bad little shit like banana. Snakes in my grass, more than line. I'm done with y'all.
Bitcoin impressive rally to $16,465 come to as the DOW in the S&P 500 closed the day in the red, with a 1.08% and 0.93% loss. 97% loss. While stock has initially surged after the president-elected Joe Biden was declared the winner of the U.S. election, coronavirus infection across the country have risen to a record high of 150,000 infections per day over the past few days, which in turn has made investors fearful that the new phase of economy shutdown could be announced. There's also news going around that President Trump is refusing the winner of the election. He still says he was being the election was rigged from him, was stolen from him. So bullish news like PayPal announcement that it had nixed its waiting list for clients looking to trade cryptocurrency is surely working in Bitcoin favors also. According to PayPal, crypto payment will soon be available to 26 million merchants globally. And the payments giant is also raised the trading cap for US-based customers from $10,000 to $20,000 per week.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Given PayPal immense user base, analysts are watching for an influx of new Bitcoin investors, as the implementation will likely result in an increased demand and push the price even higher. DeFi 2.0 anyone? In other news, the DeFi revival continued as Uniswap again saw a strong surge in the liquidity, bringing the figure to a record $3.2 billion. Data show from DeFi also show that the total value locked in DeFi platform has soared to $13.65 billion. This is another sign that investors are reigniting their interest in DeFi token, farming project, and many other opportunities that exist in the sector. The year 2020 sucked for everyone, unless you're holding Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is up 125% year to date, making it one of the best performing assets just as it has been for the past decade. Strangely enough, the public seem completely oblivious to this fact, but not everyone is ignoring the latest rally above $16,000. Currently, the price is just 20%, a shy of its all-time high. Considering the impressive year Bitcoin is having, it's not surprising that Wall Street is not starting to realize that the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. Remember 2017? That history Bitcoin price rally was largely driven by the retail traders, the average Joe, who were anticipating a Wall Street stampede alongside the frenzy of a new token mint via initial coin offering. At the same time, the CME introduced their cash-settled Bitcoin future right at the peak in December 2017, and pop.